What's up, everyone? This is Drew with What's for Dinner. We're just going to go over some of the stuff I got from Menards and a quick little shop update. Chisel for my SDX Max Makita. Bosch chisels for when I bust up that concrete. Had to get 2 more of these because I'll show you in a second what I did over here. Then I've had the smaller blades, but I've never had one for my miter saw, and that's also another thing. I have an update about my VEVOR affiliate program. 10-inch 62 CMT. I guess there is no kerf on these, or the Diablos are a thin kerf. The Swanson square 12-inch, and then basically it was like I think $2 more to get the 7-inch, basically free. Johnson 24-inch framing square. I have a 12-inch, but I have a job coming up that I'll be able to use this for, to do a little bit of layout on. And then another job coming up soon are these Tapcons, and of course the fast setting anchoring epoxy will be for that job as well. I ordered a handrail from VEVOR, which I've had great success with, and then some finishing washers. Of course, all this stuff is a mess, but here's what I've done since the last video. This isn't the permanent solution, but what I was going for was all my Ridgid 2.0 organizers. I was getting tired of going through them and unlatching them, putting them back together, and then all of a sudden you need the one that's on the bottom. But I wish I had a tiny bit more room on the bottom here. There's some of my grandfather's old hand tools. Again, this top is not permanent. Nothing is screwed down yet to the shelving. So I applied for their affiliate program. I was accepted. That's great. And I have some VEVOR stuff coming here this week that will be in the next video. And that's partially due to the CMT 10-inch blade that I'm going to use on my new VEVOR miter saw. The miter saw doesn't go back like that. It just has arms in the front. You'll see it. It's okay. The stand will be out of here. And I kind of want to cover the cost of the other thing. So I got them, I'm getting them to delete my affiliate program for me, even though I could put some of the links to this stuff in the description, like that over there. And you know, these truck bed rails. But I've been making real good progress since the last video. I sold the Ryobi finish nailer. I believe it was a 15 gauge. I sold the Ryobi 10-inch table saw, and I still need to get all my chemical out here. I'll probably end up selling that jigsaw. And I'm actually going to build a small table for the miter saw, and I'm going to have the, you know, the plane of the miter saw, you know, be level with this. And then I'm even going to take some angle iron, line it up with the fence of the miter saw. I was going to get a 72 by 24 VEVOR workbench. They're all out of stock. I didn't want to pony up for the 96-inch because it's just overkill. I think I would have enough room for it, but I actually want less room, at least a couple feet, or 6-foot workbench that's long enough for me. I picked up these, I think it's John Sterling metal peg board. They're just in there with some Tapcons. Same way with this, John Sterling. Again, I'm gonna notch it out in the back once I know where this is gonna end up as far as width and everything. Still need to get windows. Still haven't put up the mini split. Still haven't busted up those stairs, but we eventually will. And now that I got those, it'll make it so much easier. that took me like 30 minutes. Sweating like a pig out here. I never thought that I could get so anal about this. I mean, even like this is touching. Driving me crazy. What in the hell am I doing wrong here? Obviously, I get that. I don't think it's supposed to do this. I almost think this thing is well messed up. I don't think it's supposed to do that. And it looks like the bearings are supposed to go in further. What am I doing? Watch this. Hillbilly's famous last words. Watch this. Well, once it pops out, it's out. Far enough. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, so next week, definitely we'll have that V4 stuff in the next video. Except for the bench. Again, I'm waiting for the right deal. But in the meantime, I have some work to do. Thank God it's not using this SDX Max, because I think I might have just bought like $50 worth of bits that I don't even know that I can use. I did get this for like 300 bucks used. But yeah, what in the heck am I doing wrong? Is the chuck on it messed up? I don't know. Anybody know where I can get some these like pegboard holder things that are better than this? Because this is absolutely driving me nuts. It was a good deal. You know, it was only 20 bucks a sheet for these 16 by 36, and I really wanted the 48s, and I probably should have waited. But you know, and then it was like $8.99 for like a 50 set piece of the hooks. So I think my wife got me some hooks too, so I'm going to see if I have those down in the basement. And if not, I don't know where they are. So hope everybody has a fantastic week. I'm going to get some work done, hopefully, and make some money.